Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can have your internet's download and upload speed on your Windows desktop's taskbar. So the process is quite simple and easy, so let's start the video. First of all, you are going to need a software that will actually show your internet speed on the taskbar of your Windows PC. So the software that I'm going to be using and I'm going to be showing on this video is Net Speed Monitor. So this is a free software and you can use it completely free. So I will put a download link in the video's description where you can download this software setup. So when you're going to open the link, either you can download it directly or you can open the alternate link and this website should open up. Here you can see download. Now you're just simply going to press on here and the setup will start downloading. So I have already downloaded the setup, so I'm not going to download it again. Anyways, once you have downloaded the setup, you're going to right click on it and you're going to press on install. So here you're going to maybe have an error message like I am having operating system not supported Windows XP, Windows Server 2003, Vista or Windows 7. Although I have a Windows 10 PC, but it's still showing me the error. So first of all we need to resolve this. So here I'm just going to press on finish. So you're going to right click on your Net Speed Monitor setup. You're going to go to properties. You're going to open properties and here on the second you will have compatibility tab. You're going to press on compatibility tab and here in compatibility mode you will have run this program compatibility mode for. So you're going to check box this and make sure it's on previous version of Windows. You're going to press on apply and OK. So now again we're going to right click on it and we're going to press on install, and now you can see the installation wizard has opened up. You're going to accept the agreement. If you want to donate them, you can do that as well for whoever made the software. I accept the license agreement, the default location and all the other things, and install. So now it has completely installed. So you can see x64 because I have a 64-bit operating system. So do you want Net Speed Monitor toolbar on your taskbar? Yes, because we want to see our speed. Here you can see on the lower right side of my taskbar, the U and the D. U means up speed and D means download speed. So here you will have your internet speed. But what if you're not seeing any internet speed? The main thing is that you have not configured your wireless card well. So first of all, if you're not seeing any speed here, the first thing that you're going to do is to go on the search of Windows and you're going to type device, and here you will see device manager. You're going to open device manager. If for the reason that the speed is not showing on your taskbar, here you will have your network adapters. You're going to expand it and here you will have your network adapter name. Mine one is Qualcomm this. So here where you are going to see the speed, you're going to right click on it. You're going to press on configuration. So you can see that mine is already selected on Qualcomm, that is present on my network adapters. But for instance, if I select any other and apply, and if I press on OK, you can see that the speed has gone to 0. So if your speed is showing 0 KB, MB or anything, even if you have internet enabled, all you have to do is to right click on it, go to configuration, and from here you have to choose the card which is present on your network adapters. As in my case it's Qualcomm wireless adapter because I'm using Wi-Fi right now. So I'm going to select Qualcomm, that is matching that, and I'm going to press on apply. And after that you can see you're going to see the internet speed of your internet on your desktop's taskbar of your Windows PC. Guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so. I will be making future videos like this as well. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.